I'm elevated. I'm further elevated. That's all I can tell you. I'm further elevated.
Has our experience together today changed anything about how you see yourself?
It certainly makes me feel even more grateful and lucky that I have and come from an incredible family and lineage with incredible history. Mm-hmm. And I have to dig deeper into all of these things and learn about it even more. Mm-hmm. It's a part of who I am. It's not just part of a history book. It's part of who I am.
Have you ever taken a course in Indian history?
No.
Well, you just did.
Yeah, you gave me like the truncated TV version. Now I gotta go deep, yeah.
Does anything that we've shared today change the way you think about being an Indian American?
Yeah, I think...
Is that how you describe yourself?
Yeah, Indian American, yeah. I think one of the things that I think about, you know, I was joking, obviously, like, certainly in Indian culture, there's a lot of humility and respect. But in this story, I'm also seeing that I come from a deep tradition of boldness, fearlessness, irreverence, kick in the door. Like, these are some real badasses.
Yeah.
And that's really empowering and awesome, you know. I didn't do anything as awesome as start a mutiny against the British Empire, but I have gotten 6 consecutive parking tickets in a calendar year.
It's so funny because you think about identity and race and, you know, what is that? It's just how you feel about yourself and how the world perceives you. So I don't know that that has changed, but, you know, who knows? Like, I definitely need some time to process it.
Right.
You know, it's a lot.
But think about this. All the people in that family tree have combined genetically to make you the special person that you are.
That's right.
And you wouldn't change anything about that, would you?
No, I wouldn't, no.
I think learning about my mother's mother ought to change something. I told Dion about this when I was outside in the break. And she said, thank God, that's so nice that you get to have a revision of something that was such an unfortunate story.
Yeah, that's true.
So.
And it wasn't fair.
Yeah.
How about the concept of being a Jew?
Well, that hits me more than anything because I don't know why. I have always thought my Jewish history was muddy. And my God, it's clean as a whistle.
It is indeed.
It's made me feel how far back it all goes. For whatever reason, anytime I've thought about it before this, it just hits a brick wall. And I never really thought to kind of break past that brick wall. But it's definitely worth doing that, just to see how far back you can get.
To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.